here's an example. I thought I'd share my lunch with you. So this is Ahi Tuna. It's not regular tuna. So I had gotten 2 tuna steaks, Ahi tuna steaks, that from the same grocery pickup that I do every week. A couple weeks ago, had it in the freezer. Took it out of the freezer the other day, and I cooked up both the steaks, and I ate one with some veggies for dinner. The other one was cooked and seasoned. I turned it into tuna for sandwiches, and this is free sourdough. I'm gluten intolerant. I can have sourdough bread, seems, but not other kinds of bread. Doesn't affect me the same as gluten-y bread. So anyway, I turned a whole tuna steak into tuna salad that I can put on the sourdough bread and have sandwiches. And this has been making, I'm now making the second sandwich. I think I'll get 1 or maybe 2 more sandwiches out of this. Depends on how hungry I am, I guess. So my 1 tuna steak makes about 3 or 4 sandwiches. And I have more sourdough bread, so yeah. So this is a free, almost free lunch, except for cooking that. And it'll feed me for several days.